Chin chin to you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade tagliatelle with 2 ingredients. Very easy. Eggs and flour, that's all you need. Shift your flour. I prefer to do this, it comes a little bit lighter. Pour the eggs into the flour, okay, Trevor? You see, mix it with the fork now. Oops. Are clean, have a good time. At this point, if you think it's too dry, you can add a couple drops of water. Add a few drops of water. Get your strength going as hard as you can. It's gotta be soft but not sticky. Look, see, I can hold it but not stick to my hands. This is how you know it's ready. When you make homemade pasta, you must have fun with it. You're gonna pass it through twice. Okay. Roll your pasta. Okay. Look at how simple it is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Homemade tagliatelle. Little thicker than the usual, but that's the size that I like.